Mars!
The origin of the planet's name comes from Roman mythology, where Mars means god of war.
As Earth is the third planet from the Sun, Mars is the fourth. The shortest distance from Earth to Mars is along 54,500,000 kilometers. The farthest distance is an even longer 401,300,000 kilometers. So if you like road trips, Mars is the place to go.
Earth is Mars' closest neighbor, so if you ever get homesick, you will always find your way back home.
The last mission to Mars was the Mars rover mission. The rover continues to be successful today.
If you are a rather hot person, Mars is a great place to go to cool down. The temperature here ranges from negative 140 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius.
Mars is 6.4219 to the 23rd power kilograms, only a bit smaller than Earth.
Reaching a maximum of 60 miles per hour, the wind speeds are normally about 30 miles per hour, perfect for flying a kite and having fun.
Mars has a rather rocky surface, so here's a chance to wear your favorite boots. Mars' surface has been altered by volcanoes, impacts, crustal movements, and dust storms. And if you like the color red, you'll find a lot of it here because Mars soil is all red from rust.
Mars' core is iron and sulfur. The mantle is silicate, and the crust is basalt and iron oxide. The atmosphere is made up of 95.3% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, 0.15% oxygen, and 0.03% water.
The diameter of Mars is a whopping 6,794 kilometers, only slightly smaller than Earth, and enough space to become a great and habitable planet.
Although there is only 0.03% of water vapor in Mars' atmosphere, there is still precipitation. But the precipitation is usually in the form of frost. The ground is colder than the air, so when the little water in the air hits the ground, it freezes and turns to frost.
A day on Mars is only 37 minutes longer than a day on Earth. A year is 687 Earth days, or 1.9 Earth years.
The gravity acts only 37% as much as it does on Earth, so you'll drop the pounds and be able to jump 3 times as high.
And if you ever get thirsty, don't worry. Mars has huge deposits of water underneath its surface.
If you love to hike and climb, Mars has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons.
Do you just hate our polluted atmosphere? Well, Mars doesn't have one, which makes the weather nice and cool if you're a winter person.
So come to Mars, 'cause it's a Marsing!